Yes, I bought it. I cheated. I don't know what else to say, man. Like, I did it. So, man.
Yeah, 2-6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it and get rolled over, man.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Switched Up 2-6 here. We back with another lit video, y'all. So what we gonna talk about today, man? We gonna compare the two, man. Should we buy it or build it, man? It's always a conversation that we have amongst the real lowriders and the RC lowriders, man. Let's do a comparison video right now, man. We just purchased this Gold Digger, man, as y'all seen from the last episodes. If y'all haven't checked out that, man, go back and watch the unboxing of the Gold Digger, man. But we're gonna do a comparison between a special edition, everything built, pretty much done, ready to go out the box, man, fully customized, versus a standard 64 lowrider, and then customize it yourself, man. So with this purchase, man, this thing was already loaded, y'all. Gold parts, gold undercarriage, gold chassis, gold rear end, gold control arms, the Dayton's. It's pretty much ready to go out the box, man. This thing is clean, man. Like I've been saying, the pictures has done it no justice, man. In person, this thing it's on point, man. Kudos to you, Red Cat, man. Y'all did y'all thing on this one, man. I love the craftsmanship of this, man. Like it's just like art, man. It's like art, man. You can't take away, man. Classic 64, man. Like body lines, everything is there, man. It's nice, man. Just like all y'all other products, man. So I'm not downplaying none of your other products, man. All your cars have been on point coming out, man. Like you see, man, I got a couple other ones, man. So everything's been on point, man. I'm just feeling this Gold Digger, man. She is just on point, man. She is just on point. So the comparison, man. So if you was gonna go purchase a standard 64 straight out the box, fully functional, with no goodies on it, no chrome, no gold, no nothing, man, you looking at $499.99, man. So $500 right off the rip, man. And so let's add all the parts in there with it, man. So if I was gonna build me a Gold Digger, let's just for say, man, you got $500 just for the car right off the rip, man. Right off the rip. So let's start naming out all the parts that's listed on this car, that comes with this car, that makes this car called the Gold Digger, man. So you're talking about the body mounts, you're talking about control arms, steering track, main chassis, rear end, front suspension, bell crank, frame rails, bumpers, lights, steering wheel, and the Dayton wheels, man. And the graphics, y'all can't forget out those, man. I forgot about that when I was doing my research on my initial calculations, y'all. So, man, if you was go buy all that, I don't know what the graphics list for, man. I'm not 100% certain, man. But we're just gonna throw out a random number. Don't quote me to this, man. It's pretty close though, man. I think you're looking at probably about $360 just in parts, man. Like just for the parts that's on this car, man. Probably about $360, man. Plus your $500, man. So you read it $860 plus shipping all that. So easy 900 all day, y'all. Easy 900. So comparison to customizing it yourself to a purchase of a limited edition, fully customized, already out the box, $649. $649, $650. This is what this car was listed for. So it was a no-brainer, special edition. So it was a no-brainer for me, man. Yes, I bought it. I cheated. I don't know what else to say, man. Like, I did. So, man, I don't think you'll be mad at my purchase. And I think a lot of people, if they had the opportunity to purchase this, they would have purchased it as well, man. So I bought it, man. I didn't build it. So, man, that's my take on the situation, man. You talking about a couple $100, like probably $300 savings just by buying one completely put together already, man. Like, it's really nothing that you have to do to this car, man, to make it stand out anymore, man. It's nothing. Like, let me show you the bottom, man. You guys should have seen it already, man, but look at the bottom of this car, man. It's nothing else that you have to do to really, you know what I'm saying? You could change up these black parts, maybe the screws, you know what I'm saying? But you can't take nothing away from this as it sits right now, man. Like, it's fully custom, man. Like, you winning, man. Like, straight out the rip, man. You winning. So, it's a no-brainer for me, man. It's a no-brainer, man. The car is right, man. It's done up well, man. So, black and gold, you winning, man. You winning, man. Don't get me wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with customizing your car, man. I'm customizing one myself, man. I'm actually working on my 79 Monte Carlo. So that video will be dropping here in the next few weeks, man. So keep your eye out on that. So it's nothing wrong with building your car, man. Don't get me wrong, man. You could take your time, do it right. I mean, do it little by little, do it right, man. You know what I'm saying? So there's nothing wrong with that as well, because I done did that process. So, but to the savings that you're saving, man, the headache, the time, and we forgot all about this is convertible, man. So you got time involved with customizing, cutting your top. That's time consuming materials that you need to use. You gotta have your cutting material, you gotta have tape. So that's money too, man. So just keep adding it up, man. So it's a no-brainer, man. $650 versus $9+ to customize if I was gonna build this car, you know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win, man. It's a win-win. So so y'all let me know what y'all think. Bought or built, man. Which one you want to do? You know what I'm saying? So it's up to you. I think it's a no-brainer sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't overthink it. Save money and it's beautiful, man. Like, it's beautiful straight out the box, man. Believe it. The pictures, the videos does it no justice. Man, this thing is fired, man. Red Cat did a phenomenal job on this, on the details, the design. They thought this one out well, man. So, and you could tell that on the purchase, man. Like I said, this car dropped maybe about 4 or 5 days ago, man, and I purchased mine the first day it released. So, they sold those things, I believe, in like 3 days. Like 3 days later, like the site said, sold out. So they sold them fast, man. And I did get a comment about the number of cars that they made, man. So I'm going off of what Red Cat said, man. Big O, shout out to you. You said the atomic number for gold is 79, man. And y'all made 790 of these, man. So that's what I'm going with. I had somebody hit me with a comment and said he called Red Cat and they said they was making 1,000. So all I can do is put out the information that was given to me from the source, which is Big O, man. He shot dropped the launch on the live. So I'm going by what he said, man. So big shout outs to you, man. If that information is right, man, kudos to them, man. It gives a handful more people the opportunity to own the gold digger, man. So, and Red Cat get to make more money. Hey, it's a win-win for everybody, man. So, but shout out to you, man. I forgot his name. I appreciate that info, man. So, but that's the way to go, man. I think buy it in this case, man. When you get a platform like this, man, buy it. What's wrong with that? Just buy it, man. I think that's about it, man. Like I said, man, y'all keep an eye out. Next few weeks, I will be dropping the 79 customized that I did, the custom job that I did, man. We blew it all the way apart. We painted frame and we put chrome undies on it, man. Chrome undies on it. So y'all look out for that, man. Unfortunately, it'll be over the next few weeks. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, man. So I drop my material once a week, sometimes twice, just depends on what's going on. Just like this week, this video dropped early because I just received it, man. So I wanted to get it out right away, get that content out right away, man. So we dropping 2 this week. This video will be dropping this Sunday coming up, man. So when y'all see this video, what's that, the 14th, I believe it is. So it'll be January 14th when you be seeing this video. But we got the Monte Carlo custom job coming. So y'all keep your eye out on that, man. And that's about it, man. So build it or buy it, man. What you want to do, man? It's your choice, man. Hey, I don't think you can go wrong either way, no matter what you do, man. Hey, it is what it is, y'all. Hate it or love it, but you gonna respect it. I bet you that. You gonna respect it. So, hey, it is what it is. We'll catch you on the next one, man. Y'all take a moment right now, though, man. Hit that subscribe button for me, man. Hit your post notification bell so you can stay up to date on what we got going on. And share it as well, man. Let these folks know what we got going on in the 2-6, man. We'll catch you on the next one, man. We out.
It's an investment. Yeah, man. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. Like I said.
Yeah. 2-6 switched up.